were you bullied by these women?
What?
Clearly see.
Just today. Today is our first day of ragging him.
But we ragged him
bully.
since morning today.
It's called
because he was giving us, throwing all the anger issues were coming out on us through the shoot.
Wow.
feistiness. It's standing up for themselves, which could be,
Misinterpreted.
into anger. It's not like women are moving around with anger issues.
Yeah. Then those women are also to a very large extent expected to dim or dumb down their own light.
It's a man's way of showing, look how I love, or look how I feel in this, or look, मैं बर्बाद हो गया प्यार में. But you don't see the ashiki happening the other way around. You know, like where a girl is tabah in a man's love.
सोशल मीडिया का कभी कभी आता है कि अच्छा यू डोंट हैव इतना फॉलोअर्स नहीं है आपका तो शायद इसलिए वो हो रहा है.
Sometimes I hear, are you too skinny? Or you put on weight? People like this full of bodies and stuff. And I'm like, but I like me.
Hello everyone, welcome to News 18. I am Titash Chaudhary in conversation with Surveen, Vani and Vaibhav. Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Very
Very
good.
good.
Good?
Very
You know what we're going to do is,
Huh.
we're going to start with some fun games.
Oh,
Okay?
super.
Yeah. I know perhaps a lot of people have, riddled your mind with a lot of riddles. Murder mysteries and all of that.
Yeah.
But you don't have to put too much brains into these
lovely.
ones. Because these are just like, I won't say dumb because I made them. But let's see. Let's give. थोड़ा सा सुन लो ध्यान से तो शायद you'll be able to figure out. So whoever answers first. Okay,
done.
A woman shot her husband and held him underwater for 3 minutes. Later that night, they had a lovely dinner together. How is this possible?
A woman?
Shot her husband,
Huh.
held him underwater for 3 minutes. Later that night, they had dinner together. Possible कैसे है?
She shot him and held him underwater. But he clearly survived the gunshot.
It's not a gunshot, shot her with him with a camera. Like an underwater camera.
Shot him.
Someone shoot me.
Oh, man. Okay.
See, these are word games basically.
Okay, understood. Now we get
Got
the
it,
gist.
got it.
Yeah.
एक बार फिर से यही सवाल.
ये NG हो गया take. अभी एक और.
बहुत ऐसे
But don't pick up cues from this one. Huh? The next
हाँ,
ones are different now. कोई फायदा नहीं है. मतलब word play खत्म हो गया. Next one is this.
Thanks.
Okay. A couple went on their honeymoon trip, but the husband returned from the vacation and said that his wife met with an accident and died. The police arrested him saying that your travel agent caught and we figured that you murdered your wife. How did the agent know that it was a murder?
Repeat.
A couple went on their honeymoon. ठीक है? Only the husband returned from the honeymoon saying that my wife died because, she met with an unfortunate accident. The police, of course, was called. The police said that we want to meet the travel agent. The travel agent said that, yes, I know it's a murder. How did the travel agent find
Because
out?
he murdered him.
Her.
He
He
murdered
murdered
him.
her. He
The
was
travel
hired
agent
to murder
murdered
the
her.
wife.
Nahi. Because
that's a possibility.
I mean, yes, that is a possibility.
Huh.
No, I'll give it to you. But I think a better answer would be that he only booked one-way tickets for his wife.
Wow, nice यार.
What if the wife cheated on him and left him
Exactly.
there? Could that also be a possibility? Perhaps?
Yeah.
I was
What if
thinking
there
the
is no
wife
wife?
probably ran
Faked
away
it,
with
yeah.
the travel agent only.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And they conspired against the husband and got him under this thing.
We're
So he
talking
was
the
very
Mandela
last.
murders team
Ah,
right now, so
right,
don't
right.
underestimate us. Yeah.
Yeah, it
Too
might
many
be
perspectives. I
late
love
in
it.
the evening,
Yeah,
but
could be this or that.
Love it, love it. Love these perspectives. The last one. Okay. Every day, a man used to cross the border on a bicycle with 2 bags of sand. ये सुना है आपने पहले?
you've heard this.
नहीं.
Actually, you're smiling. So the border officers got a tip that he's a smuggler. So the customs officers checked him out and found that he only has sand. They couldn't find more evidence, so they allowed him to cross the border. But what was he really smuggling then?
Repeat.
भारत की मिट्टी.
Bharat ki mitti.
Every day, a man used to cross the
I
border
hate you.
on a bicycle with 2 bags of sand.
He was smuggling the bicycle.
Yeah.
Obviously.
Slow clap.
Nice.
भारत की मिट्टी की
Why did you say
He
that?
said Bharat ki mitti and I thought he knows this because he was smiling at the question. Sorry. I should have see, I've learned something new. Don't trust him. Don't trust Weber.
now I trust you Jesus.
I
Yes,
thought
trust
Bharat
me.
Now I
ki
trust
mitti
issues.
means something.
Okay.
But were you bullied by these women?
What?
Clearly see.
Just today. Today is our first day of ragging him.
We didn't even bully.
Yeah.
I don't associate
You think we
with
can bully
bullying.
him? Had we bullied him
I'm
through
not-
the show, every day of anger issues we can't handle.
Every day of anger issues.
No issues, yeah, nothing.
You have anger
Very cool.
issues.
No.
I mean,
ये दोनों कान की
Vani is not even looking up.
पानी में भारत की मिट्टी.
okay.
Okay, next.
What next? You want bullied or not? I'm asking.
But you think we are the kinds who
Yeah,
bully?
yeah,
they are not bullies. I'm
so
very
much.
anti-bully and I don't support trolling.
See,
And
now they're scared of this word.
yeah, don't tag us with that. Huh? Clickbait.
anger issue
headline
वाला
will
tag
be-
We ragged him. We ragged him.
I didn't even drag him.
But
yeah.
we
Bully,
ragged him
bully.
since morning today.
It's called
because he was giving us, throwing all the anger issues were coming out on us through the
Yeah.
shoot.
Wow.
Come on. now
Oh,
sound
acha,
attention.
from the shoot.
Yeah, no.
Wow, thanks, yeah. Survi.
But how easily or how difficult was it to break the ice with the two of them during the shoot?
Very easy, yeah. काफी chill.
You and I broke it धीरे धीरे ना.
No, with Surveen, easily. With Vani, I think क्योंकि
Thanks.
नहीं.
I thought you'd be like, नहीं, are you crazy?
ऐसा उतना tough नहीं था, but
इतना tough नहीं था. Tough था पर इतना tough नहीं था. That's because I open up धीरे धीरे. Like I become
You're a shy person.
shy person. That's why.
Yeah, both of us also, we didn't speak much initially.
Yeah.
And then there was that one day,
Yeah.
ऐसे होता है ना, हमको किसी कमरे में रख दिया तो हमको एक स्पेस थी जिसमें ऐसे सिर्फ हम दो थे, कोई कास्ट नहीं, कोई क्रू नहीं, कुछ नहीं.
So you had
And
to
that's-
talk to each
and
other.
we had to talk and we had to
Yeah.
keep chatting a lot. We had a long chat. I think that was our
I think that's when
icebreaking.
people discover, oh, actually, she's a nice person. You know,
No,
that
no,
whole
no.
ice thing.
What nice. I'm never judging anybody anyway. But I just,
Yeah.
you know, you feel like knowing the person
Yeah.
that you're working
तो जाना
with.
है,
You always
conversation
want
क्या
to.
हुई थी उससे?
वो हम क्यों बताएं?
Huh?
मतलब
Our
मैं-
conversation.
हाँ, क्या
About you only and your anger management issues.
What is this anger management? Where has it come from?
Nothing. We're just pulling his leg.
Okay. But speaking of anger, you know. No, I'm saying that, you know, a couple of years or 3 years back, your director, Mr. Gopi Putran, he said that, you know, this is the time for angry young women, you know, to be on the screen.
He predicted the future.
Yeah,
Yeah.
he did. I mean, of course, he made Mardani, you know,
Yeah,
before
yeah.
that. You know, fantastic. What a
gosh.
fantastic portrayal.
Brilliant.
And what a fantastic role. But, you know, do you see today in general, you know, people embracing women's rage on screen?
I think it's feistiness. It's standing up for themselves, which could be, you know,
Misinterpreted.
it into anger. It's not like women are moving around with anger issues.
Yeah.
But it's having having an opinion and expressing it. Having an opinion, expressing it, and you know, speaking their mind, having the
Yeah.
confidence to speak their mind.
Right.
You know? So I think sometimes you can be like, oh, she has opinions and she has, you know, like she's too. I don't know what people say because. But you know, like how it could be misconstrued into something
100%,
else.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
So yeah, that could be it.
Why did you laugh? Because you remembered something?
Something happened?
No, but I'm
Trivia? Any trivia? No.
She's laughing.
Because it's really late in the evening. You don't understand.
Oh, I do. I do.
Yeah, I'm blabbering now.
Oh my god. I don't know if I can say what I actually
Say.
was thinking.
Say.
No, but then they'll edit in. What's the point? So,
Why will
Why?
Arey, language, no. I don't know if it
Oh,
goes
acha,
down
that way.
well. No, I don't know if it goes down well, but I'll tell you later after the interview what I was thinking of. I mean, I was literally just talking about women having balls.
Yeah.
I don't know
Yeah.
if that's a
That's okay to
problem
say,
that
I
I don't
guess.
know, but yeah. So I think
Yeah. But even outside, this particular show, like you're talking about, women with a voice, with a mind, right? That do you think in real life also such women tend to intimidate men in
Yes.
general?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then those men are expected, then those women are also to a very large extent expected to dim or dumb down their own light.
Yeah.
You
And
know-
sometimes you're
you
even
know what I
told
mean?
to do so, right?
In a very unspoken
Unspokenly,
way.
yeah. It's not so literally direct, but
Hmm.
but yeah.
But I don't think
it
all
almost
men
come-
are. Yeah. I don't think all men expect that, but yeah, there
No.
are still
There are
plenty.
some, yeah.
But yeah, you
Yeah,
can't
it's
generalize them
it's
all.
the patriarchy that doesn't allow them to accept women having a voice,
Right.
if I may put it that way.
I also
Yeah.
feel sometimes now there are times when you're getting a narration and most filmmakers write it and pen it from the lens of a man. Like, and
Yeah.
this guy and his love for her and
Exactly.
his intensity. What about the woman? You don't,
Yeah.
you forget about celebrating the kind of those multiple emotions that are going inside. And a woman, I don't know. I'm not a man, so I don't know what they go through. But like as a woman, I feel there's so much more depth to her. Wisdom, be it anything, not just wisdom, or she could be anybody. But there's so many different characters that you can explore, for your female character in a film. But a lot of times I feel like it's a man's way of showing, look how I love, or look how I feel in this, or look, main barbaad ho gaya pyar mein. But you don't see the ashiki happening the other way around. Like where a girl is tabah in a man's love, or a girl has evolved or grown or had a journey. Those journeys I want to see it more often.
Yeah, we need more
women
like
yeah.
Gopi sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
absolutely.
The lens
The feminist
matters.
Like how
Yeah.
Yash Chopra used to do that.
Yes.
He celebrated women in his
Celebrated
film.
women,
It was
yes.
through a women's lens
Women's
also. Like, what
Yeah.
they felt. Like, how were they in love? How fragile did they feel? Or how empowered were they with their partner? Or their journey. I think, I miss
Yeah.
his cinema.
Absolutely, 100%. The other thing actually also happens, like you said, sometimes the woman is looked at as the man's somebody, The other thing, which is what happens is overtly patronizing women also. That also happens. Yeah. Anyway,
Yeah.
you had said, in an interview that, मुझे तो sacred games करना था, लेकिन I did. Good luck.
हाँ, मुझे Sacred Games करना था जब Sacred Games आ रहा था. आज मैं मंडा कर रहा हूँ.
No, what I mean to say is that, this, of course, is very different from that. Pretty much similar zone in terms of, the texture. It's a dark zone, basically. Yeah, so you feel like, chalo, everything happens at the right time.
Yeah. I do feel like that. Everything happens the right time, and it's the best time for Mandala Motors to come out. And we are all very excited. And fingers crossed. Let's see.
Yeah. To the three of you, tell me something, which is, what's the most bizarre reason you have been rejected for? Professionally, I mean.
You've done TV or overexposed?
Overexposed.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I did television for about 3-4 years. And I was told, I walked in, and that whole year, like, I used to hear it a lot. There were people saying, you're doing Punjabi films. I think you should stop doing Punjabi films if you want to focus on Hindi. And you're so naive at that point, and you actually even listen to them. So I let go of some opportunities in terms of some of my Punjabi films, saying, "Arey yaar, ye to problem ho jayega," and all that. And these were some casting directors I'm talking about.
Okay.
I'm not gonna name them. Yeah, so this is bizarre, right? What do you mean by that? So yeah, these were a couple of these.
I don't think I've been told directly, but I know that it's via, like how information comes as to big filmmaker, like not a big filmmaker like from here, but like somebody once said that, oh no, she's not too fair. I want milky white. She's not fair enough. So I'm like, yeah, it is what it is. Now, if that's the basis, I don't think I want to be part of this project. So if the feelings are mutual, you please find your milky white beauty. I will find a better filmmaker for myself.
Fair and lovely.
Yeah, find your fair and lovely. And I'll go find myself a different kind of a, filmmaker.
Good Lord. Oh my God.
But that was ages ago.
कभी-कभी social media का वो होता है, like Instagram के followers और ये सब. Otherwise, no. नहीं।
But कोई bizarre rejection का you
यार
haven't
होता है
faced?
तो मुझे पता ही नहीं चलता, वो मैनेजर्स को पता चल
उधर
जाता
तक ही रहता
और
है।
वो मेरे तक आता ही नहीं है, तो मुझे भी लगता है ठीक है उस चीज से आप दूरी रहो। बट हाँ, सोशल मीडिया का कभी कभी आता है कि अच्छा यू डोंट हैव उतना फॉलोअर्स नहीं है आपका, तो शायद इसलिए वो हो रहा है।
It's so lame now. This is
These
so
days it's
lame.
happening a lot, na? A lot of
It's
actors
really
are
lame.
talking about.
Yeah.
I'll take last 1 minute of your time.
Okay.
Just answer in yay or nay.
Okay.
Okay? Yay or nay, okay? Did a film for money. Just money.
Nah.
No. Something more has to work. I mean, it
Yeah,
just
yeah, it
can't
can't
be,
just be
just can't be money.
That would mean torture, unhappiness for the next so many days.
No? Okay.
Money is could have been in one or two times, could have been a factor, but not the only factor.
Only factor. Okay.
Can't be the only factor.
Okay. Been starstruck with a co-star.
No.
Nay.
Okay. Replaced overnight.
Nay.
Wow. Okay. Been mistaken for some other actor.
Nay.
No.
Nay.
Okay. Last one. Been body shamed in a professional setup.
Nay.
Sometimes I hear, are you too skinny? Or you put on weight? People like this full of bodies and stuff. And I'm like, but I like me. I don't want to change. I like
That's what
how I
matters.
am. I'm fit.
Next time
I'm healthy.
Next time,
You know?
bloody explain.
Yeah, no, I don't. But like, you know, like how sometimes people then, I don't know if it's coming out of concern or something like, oh, hey, let me give you a gold advice. But I think I'm okay. I think I like how I am. I'm pretty okay, I think.
Fantastic.
Yeah, absolutely.
I love myself. तो
Totally.
ऐसा कुछ
That's what matters.
Yeah.
हाँ, मतलब बोलने दो जिसको जो बोलना है।
Yeah, वो बहुत opinions आएंगे.
वो तो है ये. But on that note, thank you so much to all of you.
Thank you.
Thank you. I'm
It was
looking
nice and
forward
light.
to.
Thank you for keeping it that way. Really.
Yeah,
Oh, I'm
I'm gonna
glad.
go home with a smile now.
Yeah.
Yes,
Feeling
we
a
can
little
all go
lighter.
home now.
Yeah.
I'm looking forward to watching this.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.